Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see recently deleted story on Instagram. So for what to see, you can firstly open the Instagram app and you will have to go to the profile settings on the right bottom. You will click to the top right corner of three horizontal lines of settings on the top right here, and you will see your activity. So in your activity you will see the removed and archived content. So recently deleted, you will select it and you will see this is story has recently deleted on Instagram. So from here you can find your deleted stories and posted are here in the activity log. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.